Pollution Prevention Day is celebrated in January. My topic is about noise pollution. Noise pollution is dangerous for our health. Noise pollution is also called as sound pollution. It will affect humans, birds and animals. So we should be careful on noise pollution. Too much noise makes us uncomfortable. So let us make our earth peace and safe. Noise pollution is prevented by using noise emissions, vehicles and other sources.